Hey y'all, two broke chicks here, and we're still broke. So what do we do today?
Keto Olympics.
We went to 7-Eleven. We realized we gotta have a little fun on keto, so we spent $10, less than $10 actually, 7-Eleven, and we're gonna have a little competition with each other.
So, Brennan versus me. The loser has to eat hard-boiled eggs.
We freaking hate it, man. And they're cold and they're from 7-Eleven.
And they're in the warm car for like an hour.
Yeah, I can't wait to poop later. So we have our bag of pork rinds here. I'm gonna throw 5 into Caitlin's mouth. If she catches them, then she gets a point. So however many out of 5. All right, let's get cracking.
No more redos.
One more, just one more shot. Come on.
Just one more?
Yeah. These are our meat sticks. We're gonna fight with them today. Whoever's breaks first or falls off of the stumps that we're on loses. Let's get going. Fight! On guard.
I got a pork rind in my eye.
Call this the Coyote Cobra Kanu. Shoom! I win! My meat stick broke, but hers fell into the ground, so I win. Oh, shit!
First part of it all.
So we have some hard-boiled eggs. They included some nice salt and pepper as an accent.
Thank you, 7-Eleven.
Yeah, and check out this egg juice at the bottom.
They're super yummy because they've been sitting in a hot car for an hour.
They smell like old throw up.
Dude, and that's gonna be right near our noses.
We thought the eggs smelled bad. They
They
smell like pepper.
Let's smell them.
They smell like pepper.
Wow, they do.
Well, that's
Not
because
too
the
shabby.
pepper's right there.
Let's
Smell the actual
thing.
egg.
I can really smell your
It's like
makeup.
grandma's house.
That's so
Doesn't it? No, not in a mean way. It's not a bad smell. Throw your egg at me. I'm gonna throw up. You have to eat one bite of each egg. You don't have to swallow. Does she? Take a big old chomp.
smells like a pool. It smells like a swimming pool.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. Oh my god. It tastes like an... I don't know what it tastes like. It tastes like Play-Doh.
Let me try it.
You don't even have to eat it.
Need some seasoning.
god, it's so wet. Oh my god, it's
salt
so
on
moist.
Put some salt on it, you Oh my gosh, come on, baby.
How much salt did you
This
want?
way you don't notice there's dirt on it. See the pepper.
Oh my god, you have no idea how nasty this is.
Please bring it right to me. For the birds! I'm quite disgusted by that.
I love eggs. That's the worst egg I've ever tasted in my life. 7-Eleven sucks.